Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the topic physical and chemical properties of the alkyl halides. So, just see what kind of these properties are. Our topic is physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties of alkyl and aryl halides. Aryl halides. In this, the first physical state, color and order. Physical state, color and order. Physical state, color and order. Generally, the alkyl halides are colorless in pure state. Colorless in pure state. Colorless in pure state. Iodides develop color when exposed to lights. Iodides develops color when exposed in light. When exposed in light. Gases at room temperature. Liquid and solids, higher compound, sweet smell, volatile halogens. So that is about these compounds. Now after this we have melting point and boiling points of these compounds. Second, melting point and boiling points melting point and boiling points of these compounds. First, when we see the order, alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride and alkyl fluoride. These are the different halogen derivatives. This is because with the increase in the size and mass of halogens, increase in the mass of halogen, the magnitude of the van der Waals force of attraction increases. Magnitude of van der Waals force. Van der Waals force decreases. Magnitude of van der Waals force decreases. The second thing which we have, the another point which is there is related to the boiling point increases with increase in the size. Boiling point increases with increase in the size. Next thing which we are having in this is related to the point which we have is CS3. Just see CS3 Cl, CS3 CH2 Cl CH3CH2 whole twice 2 Cl CH3 CH2 3 Cl. In this what difference we are getting? We are getting there that is slightly the boiling point, the different alkyl groups are increasing in them. So the boiling point in Kelvin, the value of the boiling point is 249 for this, 285.5 for this. In the next 320, and for this 351.5. So what conclusion we have? As the alkyl group increases, alkyl group increases, boiling point also increases. जैसे जैसे alkyl groups का नंबर बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे boiling points will also increases in that particular thing which we have. Isomeric alkyl halides, in case of isomeric alkyl halides, in case of isomeric alkyl halides like CH3 CH2 whole thrice Cl. This is one substituent, another CH3 whole twice 2 CH2 CH2 CH CH2 Cl, another CH3 CH2 CH2 CH Cl CH3, another CH3 whole 3 CCl. In this compound what we have, that is boiling point of this compound, we have 351.5, 342, 341, and in another compound we have 324. So what we have in this case? In case of isomeric halides, the boiling point decreases with branching. Boiling point decreases with ब्रांचिंग. जैसे जैसे इनमें ब्रांचिंग बढ़ेगी, जैसे जैसे साइड चेंज बढ़ेंगी, वैसे वैसे जो है इनमें बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीज होगा. दिस इज ड्यू टू द रीजन दैट ब्रांचिंग द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ alkyl halide decreases and hence the magnitude of the van der Waals force of attraction decreases. तो ब्रांचिंग बढ़ने पर जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो डिक्रीज होता है. That is the reason responsible for this. Now in another case which we have related to this, in this another case, if we have the different number of the halogen atoms attached to the substituting carbon, what we have in this case, like just see, we have CH3Cl, one chlorine atom attached to this, CH2Cl2, two chlorine atoms attached to this, CHCl3 and CCl4. So different number of chlorine atoms are attached to this, 249, 313, 334, 334 and 3 So these are the different values of the boiling points in Kelvin. Different values of boiling points in Kelvin for these components. So what is happening in this? As the number of halogen increases, number of halogen atoms increase, boiling point will increase. जैसे जैसे हेलोजन नंबर बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स की जो वैल्यू है वो भी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. नाउ इन केस ऑफ हेलोएरिन्स, व्हाट हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ हेलोएरिन्स? जब हम एरोमेटिक एरिन्स की बात करेंगे तो व्हाट वी हैव इन दिस केस? In case of order of boiling point, what we have, that is, this is the benzene ring, iodine, bromine, chlorine, then chlorine. Another product we have fluorine, and at the last we have the ring, and this ring is benzene ring in this particular case. For the same, in this case, the order of the boiling point is in such manner. This is the order of the boiling point. Order of boiling point in this case of the haloarenes. So this is related to the boiling point. If we have disubstituted products of benzene like this, Cl, in this another case Cl, in this another case Cl. So what we have in this case, this is the boiling point in the Kelvin, and we have different values, 453 Kelvin, 446 Kelvin. In case of para product, we have 448 Kelvin of the value of this boiling point. So this is the physical property of boiling point which these compounds show in that particular thing. Thank you very much.